Okay, so I've got 2 packages in the post today. This one should be from Champion's Cube Store. Not sure where this could be from. The only place I can think is AliExpress, the snake that I ordered. But I can't see it arriving this quickly. Usually when I buy things from AliExpress, they take absolutely ages to get to me. But I don't know, I think it probably will be the snake, you know. Because I can't see what else it could be. And it is. Can't remember how many pieces this snake is. It might say on the packaging. Okay, so I've just gone upstairs and checked on the computer, and it is actually a 120-piece snake. So I'm not sure who this is made by, but let's open this up. Okay, so we get a leaflet with it. Oh, there's a make, I think. ChangShun. Never heard of that make before. So these are the different things you can make. Key cross, mouse, fireworks, glasses. They don't really look much like glasses. Looks more like a bra or something. There's all sorts of different things. Description about the magic snake. Knowing about the structure and turning of the magic snake will help you to play it. Magic snake is a kind of toy which consists of a series of right triangle plastic shapes distinguished by 2 different colours and can be twisted by 90 degrees or 180 degrees. Magic snake can be turned into any shape as you like. Well, that's not a bad translation from Chinese to English. I thought I was going to read a lot worse than that. And there's some more things you can make. Cool. Here is the snake itself. Pretty big. So what I'll do is I'll unfold this, put it on the floor and show you how long it is when it's unfolded. So there is the snake itself. As you can see, I can only just get it all on camera. I've put it next to a standard size 24-piece snake and a standard sized 3x3 just to give you an idea of how big it is. Okay, so let's open up this package. This should be from Champion's Cube Store. So we have, let's see, this should be the Rex cube. I've got for a sticker mod, Shengshou Square one, again for a sticker mod, and a DIY Dayan Zhanchi. And with the Zhanchi we get a card and some stickers. I was hoping to get the Dayan pouch with this, because it did say on Champion's Cube Store that you get a pouch with it, but there's no pouch with this. So okay, let's take a look at this Rex cube first. I won't go into too much detail with this because I've already unboxed a Rex cube on my channel before. So I've bought this to do a sticker mod with. I've got some iRex stickers for the Rex Cube. So they're basically picture stickers, and like these bits, they'll look like eyes on the cube. And yeah, sounds good. You know, I think the Rex Cube is a really fun cube to solve. The way you solve it, it just feels really unique. It doesn't feel anything like any other puzzle that I've solved. So this is the Shengshou Square one. This is quite new to the market. 6+. Just pause the video if you want to read that. It says super performance. 3x3x3. Not really sure why it says that. I guess because it's got 3 layers maybe. I've bought this for some earth stickers. No, not earth stickers, globe stickers. So I'll be doing a globe sticker mod with this. Oh, and interestingly we've got 2 instruction sheets. We've got a duplicate. And it feels quite greasy. You can probably see the grease on it there. So let's see how this turns. I do really enjoy solving the square one. It actually feels quite sluggish. It feels very smooth. So it does feel very smooth but very sluggish. That could just be that maybe there's just too much lube in there. Who knows? Yeah, that feels quite good. Let's get it back. Yeah, it's not too bad. And now for the Dayan Zhanchi. So I got it in purple. I do quite like purple. In fact, I don't have one single puzzle that's in purple. Well, I do now because I've got this, but before I got this, I didn't have a single one that was in purple. So this is the Dayan card. It's like a credit card, and you've got a number there. Not sure what the number means. And got the stickers. You know, these are just going to be these standard stickers, really. Got 2 sets of stickers there, 2 Dayan logos. Yeah, the reason why I got the DIY, usually I just get cubes that are already assembled, but the reason why I got the DIY is because with the DIY you get the card, and the Dayan card, and you were supposed to get the Dayan cube pouch as well, but unfortunately I didn't get one with this. So there's the car. some screws, springs and washers. And then all of these pieces are actually unassembled. Usually with DIY cubes, the edges and the corners are assembled, but these are not assembled. So let's assemble a corner so you can see what one looks like. So there's a corner. I do already have a Zhanchi. It's a stickless one, but I sticker modded it with what were they called? I think 4 solution stickers or something. Let's assemble. You got little torpedoes as well. Let's assemble an edge. Not really sure how I'd fit a torpedo into it. I've never fitted my own torpedoes before, so I don't know. Oh, I think that's it. I can't get this together. Let's take the torpedo out and try putting it together. Without the torpedo there, still won't go together. Let's try again with some other pieces. Yeah, it's can't really get it together properly there, but there's an edge. Centerpiece and a cap. So yeah, today I got a Dayan Zhanchi DIY, a Rex cube for an eye sticker mod, Lanlan, a Shengshou Square one for a globe sticker mod, and a 120 piece snake. Thanks for watching.